Hi everyone, this is my final project for our summer course. I used EasyClass and I catered it toward fourth graders in Baltimore County Public Schools, and I chose the English Language Arts Unit 3. It's called Take a Stand. I focused on the first half of the unit. So just to give you a little background of this unit, I provided the overview. So basically, students will conduct research and develop an infographic to inform others about both sides of a social issue in the world. So this is the class wall, and I provide like a little intro bio about me and a syllabus, just very brief on tools needed. Again, that overview for the students to read, and then each module, there's 5 modules, and these are taken from the lessons on the BCPS1 curriculum. So I kind of provide like what to do, how many points it is, and an essential question that kind of wraps up the learning goals for each module. So there are various activities like a discussion board to Padlet, a Kahoot review game, Powtoon, YouTube videos, Word document assessments that they have to write in and resubmit. And then finally, they're working toward creating an infographic. So they are allowed to choose Glogster, Discovery Ed, and Wixie, which are available through their BCPS account. Obviously, Glogster, they'd have to sign up for their own account. Finally, at the end, I have the course grading outline, so when each module is due, how many points it's worth, and the Common Core standards that are met within each module. So going back to the EasyClass, we have the assignments on the side, so each module, when you click on the assignments, module 1, so I have directions like watch the Powtoon video, comment below with one way you can be a successful learning during this module, and then I made sure that they visit the discussion tab and complete both posts on the Padlet links. So it's pretty easy to navigate. Everything has a heading and a title. So they would click on this link. I have like a little intro post, and then they would add their own. There's another Padlet. And so each module, I was trying to be very clear and concise with a step-by-step bulleted list, giving them visuals, giving them the assessment to turn in. So going through the process of learning what an infographic is, it's a mix of picture and words to get a message across. They have to learn about text structures, so I have like a fun Kahoot for them to warm up with, and of course, an assessment to go with it after they've done some exploring. Then they get into how to create an infographic. There are 7 steps. There's a YouTube video to go with it, a Padlet to promote discussion amongst peers, and a visual for them to know the 7 steps to create an infographic, and I would be grading their discussion post Padlet about, what they're thinking for their final project. Going back to the assessments, we have our module 5 where they actually create their infographic. So I have a step-by-step on what documents to use in order to research their social issue, and then a rubric that is standard-based and goes with what they should be researching, their opinion on their social issue, and how I'm grading their infographic. And that's about it. So thank you for reviewing my screencast.